You just found the 2023 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety, too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, 4-cylinder engine, remote engine start, lane keeping assist, backup camera, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.